constant sequence of events that controls the planet. Although it's with us for now, it's running out. It can drive any man to the brink of insanity. We're all mortal slaves to the chains of time.
$8 o'clock, take one.
Alright, so we've got a nice big Westminster clock. And you're wondering, what the heck do these symbols mean? Well, they're Roman numerals, dating back to Roman times. So, with these analog clocks, you've got 1, 2, and so on until 12. So, how to count? When you count Roman numerals, every line is a 1. So you can see 1, 2, 3. But then wait, what's this IV here? Well, that V is the Roman symbol for 5. And so how do you express numbers that can't be expressed normally with just I's and V's? So to show 4, the first symbol subtracts from the symbol after it. So if you were to take V5 minus 1, you get 4. And so you can keep on counting 3, 4, 5. And so on and so forth. You got 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, but then what's this? Well, this X symbol, it's a 10. And so using the same logic as before, you can take the 1 before the X here. It's not 11, but 9. Because the I comes before the X. So 10 minus 1, that's 9. And you can keep spinning this all the way around. 11 and 12. And you're back where you started. So to tell the time, use the hour hand, which is the shorter hand, and the minute hand, which is the longer hand. It's not the other way around. You'd think this would be the hour and this would be the minute, but no. The hour hand is the shorter hand and is read first. The minute hand is the longer one and is read second.
How can you tell the hour hand from the minute hand?
The hour hand will of course tick slower. The more you, if you were to watch this thing for an hour, you would see the minute hand tick faster or move around the clock faster than the hour hand. And plus the hour hand is shorter.
Let's put your skills to the test. What time is it?
So, reading the hour hand first, it's past 1, but not at 2 yet. So it's 1, and then the second hand is reading...
Minute hand.
Yeah, the minute hand is reading a little... it's past 40, but it's not at... So this is the hours and these are the minutes. So since there's 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour, we count around here and we get 42. So it is
44.
Yeah, 44. Almost 45. So when you're looking at this, 0, the minute hand goes by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So that's where that minute hand comes in. And then each of these tickers is another minute. It's like a subdivision between 10 and 15 in this case. So
it's like, now it's 1:45 according to that.
So should I say pretty much what you just said again?
Sure, yeah, do that.
Right. So if these Roman numerals around the sides show what the hour is, how do you know what the minute is? Well, since there's 60 minutes in an hour and 60 seconds in a minute, you can count 5 seconds per interval between these hours. So you have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20, 25, 30, and it goes around till 60. So, according to this clock, the time is 1:45. Or actually, it's a little past there, so you can maybe say 1:46. Might be a little fast, might be a little slow. But yeah, that is how you tell time with an analog clock. We got a big one right here.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.